Hi guys, welcome to Ambreen's Kitchen USA. Today we are making Mutton Pulao. So first you will need to prepare mutton yakhni. In a pan, add 1 kg mutton, 7 glasses of water, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon zeera, 2 inches of ginger, 1 onion, 2 cinnamon sticks, 18 to 20 black pepper, 3 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 curry leaves, 3 to 4 cloves, and 3 red whole chilies. Cook it on high flame for 5 minutes and then on low heat for 45 minutes. When the mutton tenders, separate the mutton into one bowl. Now separate the 5 glasses of yakhni. Now for the rice, you will need half cup oil, 1 onion, 3 glasses of rice, soak it for 30 minutes, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tomato, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons salt, 5 glasses of yakhni. In a pan, heat the oil and the onions. After the onions are dark brown, add garlic paste. Add the mutton. For 2 minutes. And add tomato. And 2 green chilies. Add salt and yakhni. the lid and boil it. Now add rice. And mix it up well. And close the lid. When the water is almost absorbed, close the lid and cook it on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mutton pulao is ready. Yummy mutton pulao is ready. Enjoy! And don't forget to subscribe our channel.